Hello everyone. In this video, I will be testing Claude and Gemini, and I will be seeing or comparing how good they are at building software. So the idea here is to make both app build an AI learning platform for AI engineers. So I will give the same prompt to both models using anti-gravity, and they will build the front end, back end, and the functionalities. We'll see how hard it is to build apps using Claude and using Gemini, and which model is actually good at what exactly. So let's get started. Here I have this pretty simple app for an idea of app. So I will just ask the AI here to optimize the prompt overall. Okay, this is done. So let's copy this. We'll go back to anti-gravity. So here we'll just create a new project. Let's start with Claude. Okay, that's open. So now I can just blindly paste the prompt here and choose Claude 4.5 Opus. I think it's the best model from Claude. Okay, let's run this. Okay, so we have the plan here. Honestly, I don't want to interrupt what the AI will do. I'll just proceed. But basically, the infrastructure is to use Next, okay, CSS, okay, set up some folders for component data and apps, state management, local storage, okay. We'll have the onboarding page, new level learning, okay. I just want to see what it will be at the end of the day. Okay, so we are done here. We are now running the server to see what's the result. So let's run this. We're getting it on port 3002. Yeah, this one. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, so we have this. First, the UI is pretty basic. You know, it's the purple of AI. You basically just see the AI first. Okay, so in terms of design, it's, you know, yeah, what we can expect from an AI app. So not something pretty impressive here. So I would say 5/10. So just mid. Okay, so let's start. Let's say you want to build projects, agents. Okay. RM fundamentals. What you will learn. Okay. Beginner. Make an RM response in JSON. Oh, okay. So we have something that just unlocked after 5 minutes. Interesting. Okay, so I think the concept is okay. Future prompting, a future example is here. Do I edit this? No. So it's basically cards. So I can just mark this as complete, or I can just show a solution where I have to enter the code here. Okay, it's okay. Okay, Let me mark this is complete. And first, okay, great. So if I click on show solution, messages, system prompt, okay. I would love to see the hint though. Okay, mark is complete. Show hint. Okay, challenges. So what we did, just tracking what we did. The hard thing here, semantic caching. Find similar cache queries, store query, embedding and response. Okay, if I click on marks complete and show solution. Okay, so I think the concept is quite simple and, you know, pretty basic. So we have the strike, 40% of RM fundamentals. Yeah, I would say it's fine. Not too complex, not too, I would say it's just a normal app, right? So you need to iterate on it to make the UI first good, and then the concept as well. So it's okay. We'll see what Gemini come up with, but basically, yeah, I would say it's 5 on like 5 or 6 over 10. Yeah, should be 5 or 6 over 10. So now let's do the same, but with Gemini. And we give it, but this time we give it to Gemini, this one, the Pro. Okay, let's run this. So basically here we have a slightly different tech stack. It's still Next.js, right? But we have to run CSS now. We're not using CSS, like normal CSS. We have icon from Lucid React. We have Framer, so we'll have animations. That's cool. We have, yeah, some few other things here. So what I will do is like proceed here. Great. So let's hope this is better. We don't have a landing page first, okay? And funny enough, we have the same purple. Okay. But I feel like the font is better. Honestly, like design details are kind of cool here compared to here, right? You can just see it's basically AI. You can see the same here, but the containing the color. So let's say we want to build projects and continue. EA agents, continue. We have some animations. This is okay, right? It's good. I think we gave 5 to 6 to Claude, so we'll see. Let's say this. Oh, this is different. I kind of like it. It looks like, you know, the card, you have the effect, like, look, here everything is, you know, it seems like an AI generated app with some icons here, but the way this is, you know, organized is way more interesting, okay? So let's start a module. First thing first, missing, okay. So these are not working. Challenges, resources. So basically, what Gemini gave us is a bunch of empty pages and empty projects, right? So this is not working. So let's go into the code and see. Fix the error just because we want to see, you know, the overall app, but it's losing some points here. I will say Claude is more reliable at generating consistent code. Looking at what we have here, the whole app from Claude works from landing page to, you know, all the pages worked, one shot. But here we couldn't find, or it didn't work properly. So we'll go back here. Okay, so we have something. Honestly, wow, I'm blown away. Like, what? That's, whoa, we almost missed this. That's crazy. Can I? Did I just? We have kind of autocomplete here. That's, whoa. Whoa. Honestly, no way. It's not working, but honestly, if this, I would say in terms of the experience overall, it's really neat, really clean. So if I just do something like main, okay, let's do something pretty simple. If I print, if it compile, I will be so surprised. Hello world, please subscribe. Running code. No way. I don't know. It's not true. It's not true. That's the sample. I don't know how he guessed I would write something like Hello World, but it's not compiling the code though. So, he almost got me here, and yeah, it's just printing this anytime. So it's pretty good. So honestly, if I click on hint, use the system prompt, I think this is far more better in terms of experience, like learning experience. So if you're an expert, so I'll go back and try it again as a beginner, right? So let's start over again. Can I? Oh, I guess he saved some things in the storage. So let me just clear everything from the storage. Clear site data. So hopefully we have nothing in the local storage. Okay, so let's start over again. I would say I'm pretty new. I'll see if the experience changed from. I'll do the same with Claude though to see what's the difference here. Okay, so now if I click here, nothing. Honestly, same. Okay. Okay, but with Claude, let me go back again. Learn. I think with Claude just exercise will change because you see here in progress you have easy exercises and hard exercises and challenges. You have the green one, the yellow one, and the red one. Red one being hard and green one being easy. So yeah. So my conclusion here is that honestly, if you want to build something, you need to mix both of them. You use Gemini to build the UI and the experience, and you use Claude to build the functionality and the back end. So that's all I can say, because I feel like the functionality and the back end are pretty good with Claude, but the UI and the experience, my God, pretty sick with Gemini. Honestly, I'm really surprised that this is one shot, and it's not working, right? This is not working properly. So the purpose of the app is not fulfilled, but the experience is pretty good. So I would say they are both made, but when you combine them, you can get something pretty good. So I think I'll just do a follow-up video where we kind of combine both of these and see what we can get from it. So if you're getting something pretty good, amazing. Otherwise, we'll see how to build complete UI with Gemini and build functionality with Claude. I will be using Claude Code that time with the CLI and everything to actually get the full power of Claude, and we'll see what we can do with it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.